Hey there, in this video we're going to learn how to use the Simplify Part tool. Now after you've gone through all this work creating a very cool looking part, why would you have to simplify it to perform an analysis? Well, if your part has numerous cosmetic features that don't significantly affect the integrity of your model, it's a good idea to suppress them because that speeds up your analysis. Let's begin by going to Tools, select Find and Modify. And now let's choose Simplify. First thing to do is select the type of features. For this example, I'm going to use All. Next, we choose a simplification factor. 0.01 is fine for now. Next, we choose whether the simplification is based on feature parameters or volume-based. For this first example, let's use volume-based, and now let's click Find Now. 2 fillets were found, fillets 1 and 3. Here they are in the graphic area. If I suppress fillet 1, it's also going to suppress shell 1. That'll actually change my part significantly. Let's see how it works. Uncheck Create Derived Configuration, and let's click on Suppress. So as you can see, the volume of my part is a lot different than it was. Fillet 1 remains selected. Let's check Unsuppress Child Features. Click Unsuppress. Let's select Fillet 3 now. This time we'll check Create Derived Configuration. Click Suppress. Let's exit the Simplify tool. We'll go to the Configurations tab. Here's our new configuration, Simplify 1. Let's take a look at another example now. This time, I want to see how I can find and unsuppress a feature. In my case, I want to find and unsuppress a fillet. Let's go to Tools, Find Modify Features. Under Category, we'll use Features. Under the Features menu, we will choose Simple Fillets. Click Edit. Choose a constant radius type of fillet. Select any for all the options and click OK. Uncheck Unsuppressed and click Find Now. Let's window select all of the fillets, right-click and select Unsuppress. If I want to suppress them again, just right-click and select Suppress. This concludes our video about the Simplify Part tool.